Hey there, and welcome to a new video. If you're having issues with your iPhone camera and need to reset its settings, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Unfortunately, resetting the camera settings on your iPhone doesn't come without a small catch. It's not possible to reset the camera settings individually without resetting the entire device. But don't worry, this process won't delete any of your data or media. Let me show you how to restore the default camera configurations. To initiate the process, open your iPhone settings. Navigate to General and scroll down to find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on Reset and then select Reset All Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Afterward, hit Reset All Settings to confirm. According to Apple, this process will reset all settings on your iPhone. This includes network settings, keyboard dictionary, location settings, privacy settings, and Apple Pay cards. All of these will either be removed or reset to their default configurations. Here's the important part. No data or media will be deleted during this process. However, you may need to reconfigure some settings like Apple Pay cards or Wi-Fi passwords later on. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to reset or restore your iPhone camera to its default settings. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials.